Many of us are yet to know about Key Blockchain. This is another mining app that we should take very serious. You missed out on the core blockchain Pi network and many other projects that really did well in the past. This is another one that you should actually start mining right now before their next halving. Right? They have just a limited supply of 97 million. That is their total supply. So I'm going to be walking you through the process on how to register on this platform and start mining the Key Blockchain token. I'm going to be showing you how to do that. Now, the first thing you need to do is to click through the link in the comment section if you're watching from YouTube. If you actually copy the link from my TikTok page and you pasted it in your Chrome browser and then you saw yourself in this position, watch to the end as well because I'm going to be showing you what to do. So the next first thing you need to do is to scroll down a little and then click on the registration button section. Click on the register option because you're registering for the first time, right? Now, the second thing you need to do is to put in your email. Now, many of you might go here thinking you can change this section to Nigeria. No, it's not going to work because if you go here, you're going to see it says intelligent algorithm detect network nodes in real time, automatically switch to the optimal route, and can also manually lock specific nodes. So whatever one you want to choose, France, whatever, but I'm going to go for United States. That's the reason why you're saying USA. Then put in an email right here, choose your preferred password, impute the same password, and then you click on the continue button. It's that simple. So once you're done imputing your email in this section, write down your password, repeat the same password. The next thing you need to do is to click on this continue button below here, okay? So once you click on the continue button, they are going to show your email in this box, asking you to check carefully that the email is used to receive important information. Then click on this confirm button right there. And this next page, because you're using my link, you're going to see my invite code is going to pop out here, okay? Now you have to leave it because it is going to give you a boost and some bonus for registering for the first time using my link, right? Now what you need to do here is just to choose a username. I'm going to choose a username right here. Okay, I'm just going to choose a username. Okay, I already have my account where I'm mining. This is a tutorial account. All the same, this is my invite code if you actually want to write it down manually. But as long as you're clicking through my link here on YouTube, it is going to reflect automatically when you get to this page, okay? But if you can't find it, get it from the comment section or take note of it in this video. Write it down exactly as you're seeing. Now, what you're going to do is to click on the confirm button, okay? Click on confirm. Once you click on the confirm button, this is what you're going to see. You will be tested to be sure you are a human. They want to verify that you're a human. Now, so many of you, when you get to this page, especially newbies, you don't know what to do. This thing, even a small child should be able, honestly, because I think this is very simple. This is the most easy capture. We have other hard capture, while we have other difficult captures, okay, that you need to, crack your brain. This one is actually very simple. Now, we're having some images here, and they've given us some hints here. Now, the first one here is camera, right? We're going to click on camera as the first one. The second one is this call log right here. I'm going to click on the call log as number 2, and the last one is this email logo, and I'm going to click on it here, which is the third one, and then you click on the continue button. I don't know if this once you're done inputting those captcha, click on OK for them to verify that you passed it. You're going to be told that you have successfully passed the captcha and that you've successfully registered. Now, this is the next page you're going to find yourself where they will be giving you a private key. Now, this private key is playing a very huge important role in your mining account. Yes, if you lose it, there will be a time when you will need to recover your account and they are going to be requesting for that private key. So whatever you're doing, make sure you paste it in your notepad, and if you can write it down in this piece of paper, that would be very nice. Okay, so I'm going to go here. Here it says keep your key confidential. Please remember the following safety tips. Your recovery phrase will be used to access this account. The key is the only way to recover an account. Anyone who obtains this key will have full access to your account, which means if you show it to somebody that is very familiar with Web3, they know exactly how to utilize that key. So you have to be very careful. Now, here it says please do not share your key with any third party, individual, website, or application. Now, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be clicking on here, which says backup key, and the next page they are going to show your key. Okay, I'm also going to be showing you how to verify your key, so pay close attention. Now, I'm going to click on backup key. After I click on that confirm, this is actually where you will be brought to, and they are going to be showing you your private key. Now, what you need to do is to click on this tiny icon beside it to copy it. Now, once you copy it, you can go to your notepad, paste it on there first. Now, after that, you'll be asked to verify your private key by either imputing the last 4 digits of it. Now I'm going to show you an example of what the last 4 digit looks like, because lots of you might be very, very confused. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is to copy. Once you copy it, you are going to see the next page. Okay, I have already shown you where to copy because many of you might be looking for where the copy option is written. No, look at this place I'm going to be highlighting right here. This is a little icon you're going to click to copy. After you're done copying, paste it somewhere very important, very safe. Then come back here and click on I have finished recording down your private key. Then they are going to take you to the next page. Once you click on that stuff which says I have finished recording, this is the next page you're going to find yourself. They're going to actually split your private key into many unit, and then they are going to ask you to choose the last four digits of your private key. You see, it says please select the option that matches the last four digits of your private key. Now go and look at your private key where you pasted it. Look at the last four ending parts. Okay, the last four ending parts, that is what they mean. Let's say we have from 1 to 25. Okay, and they're asking you to copy down the last four digits of 1 to 25. That is it. Now I'm going to still show you what they mean after. Now, so I'm going to select my last four digits and then I click on the confirm button, right? So that is just now, after clicking on the last four digits of my PIN, okay, I will click on the confirm and they will say it is successful. I got it right. And then you're going to be brought to this page. Now, log in with the same information you used, your email and the same password. Click on login and start mining. Let me log in. So after inputting your email and your password, the next thing they are going to ask you to slide to complete the puzzle. Now, what you need to do is to drag this arrow to this. Just keep dragging this arrow so that you move this object to fit in with this. Then after that, just release your hand and it is going to be successful, okay? So after you dragging that object and you release your hand, successfully you're going to log in automatically. Now, this is what I have gotten from using that invite link, and this the mining rate is this. I'm going to click on the start button to start mining for every 24 hours, okay? That is just how it works. So I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to copy your invite code from this section and your invite link to share with your family and friends. Now, let's head back for me to show you what your last four digits private key looks like, okay? So that section where they asked you to choose the last four digits of your private key. Now, let's say you pasted your private key like this in your notepad. Now, what you need to do is to come back to your notepad, check what the last four digits looks like. Now, you can see that this private key right here, the last four digits is GHHH. This is the last four digits right here, okay? GHHH. Okay, that is the last four digits. So go also to your private key and get the last four digits. Choose it right in there and complete every single thing like I showed in the video. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Stay tuned for more updates. Bye.